I wonder where Jessica is. She's got to be around here somewhere. Jessica? Jessica, you there? Jessica, you there? Jessica, where are you?
Oh, hey, Jim.
Oh, Jessica, you scared the daylights out of me. Where have you been?
You know, just hanging out, waiting for you.
Well, we've got quite an adventure planned today.
Okay.
Are you ready to get muddy?
Maybe.
First, I want you to meet a really special feathered friend at the Environmental Studies Center.
Ooh, okay.
Let's fly on over.
Let's go.
Hi, I'm Jim Duby with the Seminole County Greenways and Natural Lands Division, and today's adventure is at the Spring Hammock Preserve, a 1,500-acre green oasis in the middle of Seminole County. It's also home to the school board's Environmental Studies Center and the county's Big Tree Park. Let's go. Jessica, here we are. I know you were really excited about meeting our special guest. This is Orion.
Oh, hello. He's
We also
absolutely
have
beautiful.
Marie, Monica, and Francie that work here at the Environmental Studies Center.
You guys are absolutely beautiful too. Everyone. What kind of hawk is he?
It's a red-shouldered hawk. They're one of the most common hawks in our area. You'll even see them in our neighborhoods. So Orion was gifted to the Environmental Studies Center from the Audubon Center for Birds of Prey. They believe he has a brain injury. So he can fly, but he's not well enough to be able to hunt and survive on his own. So he gets to serve as an ambassador here at the Environmental Studies Center, and they can teach kids all about hawks and all kinds of wildlife here.
Nice. Well, he's absolutely gorgeous. Hawks are my favorite birds, so just being this close to one, like, it's so cool. He's beautiful.
Thank you so much for sharing Orion with us.
Yes, thank you guys so much. Yes.
So our next stop is another main attraction here in Spring Hammock Preserve, Big Tree Park.
Ooh. Do they have big trees there?
Obviously.
Awesome. Well, let's go.
All right, let's go.
It was
Bye.
so nice
Thank you
to
so
meet you
much.
guys.
Bye, Orion. Well, we've made it to Big Tree Park, Jessica. This property was donated for Big Tree Park in 1927 by Senator Overstreet
Wow.
because of the big cypress trees that were here. Most of Florida was logged out of its old growth cypress. And when Senator Overstreet purchased this property, he found these two in particular out here. And the one really big one was once the Florida state champion bald cypress tree.
How tall was it?
At one time, 160 feet tall. And it was kind of a main attraction. It was maybe Central Florida's first tourist attraction.
Really?
Even back in the early 1900s, when you didn't have I-4, you didn't have cars, they would take horse and buggy rides from Sanford through the woods, jump along logs in the swamp here to go see the big tree.
How old was it?
Well, they think up to 3,500 years old. And it remained a big attraction until 2012. We lost the big tree to fire.
Oh no.
Why don't we go see the memorial we did to the senator?
Yeah, let's go. So is this all that's left?
Yeah, unfortunately here on site of the original tree. And there was a lot of talk of whether we should even take that down, but we decided no, we're gonna leave that. But of course, all the rest of the wood, like I said earlier, was salvaged.
Yeah.
I mean, we even salvaged every little stick, branch. Some of that was given away to residents as a memento.
That's awesome.
And then the bigger pieces, of course, were salvaged, and we had several artisans make wood sculptures and art out of it.
Yeah, I think we actually have one in our office.
But we still do have a big tree here.
Okay.
What was known as the sister tree, Lady Liberty, is right around the corner.
Oh, well, let's go check her out.
This is the big tree that's still here, Lady Liberty,
Yeah.
thought to be 2,000 years old,
Wow.
90 feet tall.
She is big.
Still pretty impressive.
Yeah, she is. You can almost like feel the history out here. It's so cool. Like, it's very ancient feeling. And I can definitely see how this was a huge tourist spot, or still is, honestly.
Yeah, no, a lot of folks still come here.
Yeah.
A lot of memories.
Yeah, for sure.
And I think we just made some memories, so
We do.
time to move on.
Let's get out of here.
Jessica, it's time for the grand finale.
Okay.
An adventure in Spring Hammock Preserve wouldn't be the same without getting a little muddy.
Oh, I thought you were about to throw that at me. Yeah, I love this. It feels so great.
You say that so convincingly.
Well, you know, this is the last place I would have imagined being. So tell me why we are in this mud pit.
So this is where all the students come. Seminole County students come here to basically have an immersion experience
Definitely
with nature.
Emerge.
So you can imagine
Very immersed.
And they some of those kids go in.
Oh my gosh.
They have a long, like a conga line through here. They have to help each other through. But think about that indelible memory. You know, and I have folks that are in their 40s now.
Wow.
You know, they remember that.
I'm sure.
Because you can feel nature, you can smell nature.
Yep. I don't think I'll ever forget this.
But I mean, this is a swamp. This is what a swamp is like. Mucky. Smell the organic decaying matter.
Delicious.
Yeah. I haven't told you about the leeches yet, but.
What? There's leeches?
No, there's no leeches.
Are you serious? Oh, I'm out.
But you can't go anywhere fast though.
Well, Jim, I am ready to get out of this mud. I actually have plans tonight, so I can't show up knee-deep, muddy, disgusting. So is there somewhere we can like clean up?
You know, I think we can. We'll find, there's a little creek up here. We can get in, we can rinse off.
Sounds great.
Okay, well, let's go.
If we can leave. Oh.
Go, Jessica. Move.
Jim, I'm literally trying. Oh my God. This is not, what the heck? I feel like a swamp monster. Oh, my feet are like.
Hey, a hand?
Oh,
a hand here?
I'm sorry. I'm
Gonna
trying
leave
to.
me hanging?
My feet weigh like 50 pounds. Ew. All right, well, cool.
That way.
Back through this way. More mud. We love to see it.
Is there a problem?
You know, on second thought, I think the shower at my house sounds better than this.
It can't be as cool and refreshing as this natural stream.
You know, actually it is. So this has been great. Muddy for sure. I will always remember it. But yeah, I think it's time for me to go.
All right, well, we can check this off your bucket list, right?
Yeah, sure.
Got muddy at Spring
Wrote it
Hammock.
on today and then crossed it off today. Yep.
All right, well, I guess until next
All
time.
right, next time. Oh my God.
Bye,
Get
Jessica.
out of here. Enjoy your bath. Jim, I don't remember it taking this long to get there. What do you mean? I see big trees. Like, what, am I supposed to know, like, the direction of anything? Like, I just don't know. I have no idea. Well, there you are.
Do you need some help?
I think I do, yeah. Please, can we get out of here?
The parking lot's this way.
Thank you. Thought I was gonna be lost in there forever.
I wouldn't let that happen to you.
Well, thanks. You're a real pal.